OpenAI have more formally rolled out Canvas. It was in a preview as part of the 4.0 model, but it is now fully embedded, and you can start to use it to improve the way that you're collaborating around specific documents in ChatGPT. So let me give you an example of how you can use Canvas. So here I've just got a basic prompt about creating a detailed job description for a growth marketing manager role. So this is a prompt that I have, and I'm going to go to the view tools and I'm going to add the canvas to collaborate on writing and code. And I'm just going to click go. And what ChatGPT is going to do is actually open up a second window, which is where the document is being written. So instead of it being in the chat, and then it can become a bit confusing to work out how you're going to iterate on that, we've now got an actual live document on the right-hand side. So we'll just let this work its way through. And we can see here that we've now got our job description. And we've got various areas here where actually we can just start to play around with it. This is just like a Google Doc or a Word doc where you can actually edit the document itself. And there's a lot of few things here, brief mention of the company's mission, lots of placeholders. And so it's possible either to just add conversation here, please can you rewrite, but using Koala as the company name and the location as London, United Kingdom. This would be an in-person role. Just as an example, just makes it really simple to discuss with the platform without actually having to go through and edit. So here we go, based in London, UK, we're Koala. We've probably got something about in person as we go through. So you can engage with Canvas either in the chat here, or if there are specific sections, you can say, please, can you highlight our amazing culture and long tenure of our employees? Really easy way to engage and chat with ChatGPT around a specific document. We pride ourselves on fostering an inclusive, collaborative and innovative work environment, amazing culture, and so on. Once you've finished with that, then you can just copy it and then drop it into your document. So that's one way of using Canvas, and that is about creating new documents. Another is about using Canvas to assess and analyze existing documents. So here I'm going to take the example of a contract, and this is just Salesforce's MSA off their website. Hey, ChatGPT, we have just received this MSA from a potential supplier. Can you review and mark up the areas we should dive into in more detail? We are a UK company and very risk averse. Our customers are all over the world, and we will be using Salesforce for customer success. Just as an example, and then I'm going to attach a file from here, and then I'm going to add the canvas, and away we go. So ChatGPT is now bringing that up. And so then this review could be what guides our discussion, either as an internal team or with our legal team or with the vendor themselves. Just let that build out. Jurisdiction and governing law. Okay, so there we go. Canvas has built out this document for us, which is going to help us to have our discussions with the customer, with the supplier themselves. And just as we did before, you can ask questions. Can you expand on this a bit? I don't know what a DPA is. Of course, I do know what a DPA is, but just as an example, and then you can start to engage with the canvas. So there we go. That is ChatGPT's Canvas, a super easy way for you to either create new documents and then start to collaborate and edit with the canvas on the right-hand side, or to assess and amend and update existing documents and then create an output that you can then take on to other members of your team.